And now we are planning to learn the full Swift. So to learn the Swift and to create app, first you need go to App Store and find Xcode software. That one, it's free. So all the apps for iOS created in Xcode. This is the only tool provided by Apple. So you need to download it. So once you downloaded it, how it will work? In Xcode presented, don't pay attention on the left side. So let's concentrate right here because this is I will teach you once we will start. And in Xcode presented every element of iOS like label, buttons, text fields, sliders, and so on. So we are gonna cover section by section each element of iOS. So we will learn everything. So we will create different apps including different elements. So we will program them very deeply using Swift language, and at completion of this course you will be able to create any app that you have in your mind and to realize your idea. So when you complete the course, you will be able confidently code on Swift. You will be able to create different projects, different apps, and release them to App Store. The main important point here, once you complete this course, you won't have any gap in your programming knowledge. You will learn every button of Xcode. This is the one side. And the second side, you will know all the function and every detail of Swift programming language. So we're covering all at once in one course. So let's start now, guys.